Hello, this is Hao. Going to introduce you the latest WhisperOS. So some friends does not know the WhisperOS is. So first of all, this it's a LoRa mesh firmware based on the MeshCore. So all the features that MeshCore support, and then this WhisperOS also support. So basically, it's compatible. So going to introduce you all the features today. So first of all, let's say we use this device, Heltec V3. It has it does not have a GPS, but most of the features I think is already like pretty good. So let's jump into it. So the first screen is home screen. So it's quite simple. You got the like bar in the top, and in the right you can see the battery percentage, your not name, and the time. So basically time is based on the I think it's a time zone. So you can set it into this in the system page. So and there's some basic information. The first one is how many messages you got, and also there's a BLE pin. So you can just pair the device with your phone, yeah, basically. So there's a basic frequency, SF, and also there's uptime. So there's no like long press features, long press options in this home screen. We may add it in the future. The message screen. So basically it shows all the messages you received. So and also you can long press it to see the next one. So I can send message for and test. So let's see, I sent message to public, quick message, yes. You can see new message, and also can send two devices. Let's say, well for me, yeah, two devices. Oh, there's a feature. You see, when you receive the message, let's say a scenario like you put the device into your backpack, and also if there's a new message, the LED will keeps lightening and notify you there's a new message you need to check. So this is a new feature that I think it's from the Telegram group that someone suggests. It's quite useful. And also if your device has a ping or buzzer or like vibration motor to automatic buzz it and also like vibrate, you will know, yeah. So when you receive a message, you can see there's a indicator, yeah, say there's a message. So we click it, you long press it to see the next message, yeah. 1 minute ago from public channel, yeah, there's a message. So basically the message can be, there's I think right now it's almost support all languages in the world. I guess Chinese, Korea, Japanese, like Russian languages. Yeah, it's quite a lot. So yeah, it almost support all the languages, I guess. Yeah, you can try it. In the note page, basically it's a note context page, and you can see in the list. So it can be like room, companion, and also repeater. So when you can long press it, destination we want to do public. You select the public, you can say I want to send yes to the public, yeah. Other device will receive the messages from the public channel, yeah. You want to say yeah, H1 say yes, yeah. So there's another feature is let's see, relay repeater. So there's a feature called ping. So you want to ping the repeater, you long press it, yeah, you will receive the ping result. So it's quite useful because sometimes you want to calculate the two devices distance and also all the information between, and also different hopes. So it will automatically calculate distance if two devices have the coordinates. So, and also there's like how much time cost, and also as I said, quite useful to estimate the how long it will cost. Yeah, basically. And hopes right now it's only one hope, so I think it's if the node you ping has a lot of hopes, it will list everything in it. So we can click the website. Okay, click it and then go back. So let's long press it. There's a quick message. So there's a few of the preset messages. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, AS, no SS, tech break. Yeah, you sent to the repeater. Oh, another thing is you send a message to the repeater. Nothing will happen. Yeah, that's it for this context not page. And also there's RF page. So basically all the information you have is here. And also there's some bars, quite fancy. I think it's quite, I like it so much. And also there's two I like option. The first one is send alert, and the second one is send all the device of you to all the nuts. Yeah, the first one is that alert. I think it's quite useful for the. I think the first one is quite useful for most of the users. Yeah, so you click send, and then the devices around you will receive the package of the device, and you can just directly communicate. Yeah, this is IF page. GPS off. So basically this device does not have a GPS install. So I will present you in other device. Yeah. So last one is the system. So system has different features. I think the first one is brightness. So let's say we can set to medium to save some power. Always on. This feature is when your devices is off, it's not off, it's no activity. It will automatic switch to clock phase. Like the clock phase has a clock in it. You can see here, and the date in it, and the power supply. This is I think it's quite useful feature. So sometimes your battery percentage is not accurate. So how to adjust the make the percentage much more accurate. So this is the feature you can adjust. So how to use it? Let's say, so charge your device like 4 or 5 hours. Make sure it's already full battery, and then you go to the make sure it's full battery. Yeah, you go to the power supply. So you can see here the voltage, and there's a feature, there's an option called calibrate ADC. So you long press it, and that's it. It will automatically adjust the parameter of the system, and then your battery percentage will be much more accurate. Yeah, this is the feature I got from the Telegram channel. It's quite useful. I think it's quite good. And also the message indicator is from the MeshCore, from the I think it's a Telegram. So it's quite, I love it. It's quite reasonable, and very reasonable. So there's a switch BLE, yeah, time zone. So you don't press it, you can set different time zone. You basically right now it's only integer. We may edit like the 3.5 in the future. Yeah, okay, station. So let's say I'm in the Azure. So let's say UTC +8. Yeah. There's a two option, reboot and shutdown. Yeah, that's basically all the features in HealthTech V3. So let's switch to other device. So this is GAT IoT device is called like Tracker Pro. It's quite popular in China. So you can see almost the same feature, I think is. Yeah, you long press it, you got the next, like the next one. Yeah. So in the notes context page, you can say there's a free text message. It's quite useful. Yeah, you can see here, you can type like, oh, right now it's Chinese IME, so let's switch to English. So let's say hello. Hello, hello. Oh, it's not right. Oh, hello. Ha. Let's say haha. Oh, hello. Yeah. So let's send it. Yeah. You see here, I got a new message from the public channel. Yeah, it's haha. So got the message. It's quite useful right now. It's you can type anything you want, and also it's a standalone device right now with the joystick. So and also the seat has also almost the same device, almost the same spec. The joystick quite useful. Yeah, let's return to the GPS page. So the GPS, when you turn the GPS on, so you can see here, it's quite useful. But for this screen, I'm gonna change it later, maybe next version, next major version. So you can see here, there's a GPS, and also altitude, latitude, and longitude. I think in the middle, it's a speed. So it's quite, I think it's quite accurate. So I tested several devices, quite useful, and also I can see that like when I try to do hiking with my family and also with kids, so it's quite useful. And also I do like do biking, and also I can see the speed of the current speed of mine, so quite useful. But for this one, I'm gonna to refine the UI a little bit, so stay tuned. But right now it's quite useful. Yeah, you click it to turn the GPS off. So but if you in some big building, but you turn the GPS on, so please remind it will cost a lot of power. It's very power hungry. So yeah, you can just turn it off if you don't have much battery. And also there's a always on default power supply, almost the same. But for this device, it's a standalone out-of-box device, so it has a fixed ADC. So you don't need to calibrate the device. So, but for other devices, we need to calibrate a little bit. But yeah, so I think the basic, I think it's most of it for the release of the WhisperOS, I think. Yeah, so you can download the WhisperOS and install into the device. It's a free of charge, and also for the like new devices, we continue working on it and support it. Stay tuned. If I got new updates, I will post a video, and please subscribe. Thank you.